morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here another video review of one of the latest smartwatch in the market. So we have here is the Smartwatch X8, model X8. Okay, it's an upgrade of the X7 smartwatch. Very affordable, okay, as well as very simple to use and lightweight. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of the X8 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. We also have the product link below of the smartwatch if you are interested in getting one. You can also check the specs of the smartwatch below. Again, if you have any questions, please drop a comment. Okay, let's have. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch, the user manual. What are the contents? Let's check. So it is using a charging clip. We are not a fan of this type of charging method, but anyway. So we have here the strap. So that comes with a smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the user manual, the strap, charging cable, and the smartwatch. But before we check on the design of that, let's check out the support app. So again, it is using the popular HR Wi-Fi app. Okay, this is available in iOS and the Android platform. If you want to know how to install this support app, okay, with other smartwatches that is compatible with the HR Wi-Fi, check out our video review here in our channel. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, we got it here from Shopee, I think. And let's have here, so it is model X8, 1.54 inch full touch screen with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Okay, so it is using a charging clip. We have a heart rate monitor, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen. Okay, it also has a message and call reminder. Okay, and we don't know if there's a Bluetooth call or not. We'll see. We also have a activity monitoring and sports function. Okay, so this is your smartwatch. Okay, let's remove this first so we can check out the design. Okay, so metal body here, glossy brush finish. Okay, we have a somewhat a peel button here. We have the crown button. Let's attach this and see the overall design of the smartwatch. Okay, seems like it's very tight. Okay, so okay, just okay. And the other one, let's see. Okay, let's see if we can attach this properly. Okay, that's it. Okay, it looks good. Okay, let's remove the sticker here. So we have the display here, 1.54 inch slim bezel here, and it's much wider here on the top. Okay, you see it? So far it looks good, it looks okay. Okay, and it has a very affordable price. it is much better than the Y68, I think. Okay, so this is your X8 smartwatch. We'll see. Let's check. So what are the features here? X8. We have intelligent menu, multiple functions here, multiple dial interface, 1.54-inch large screen display, 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Okay, and what else? So we have a message push, heart rate monitoring. Okay, so there's a Bluetooth call. Okay, hope it works. Bluetooth music, remote camera, sleep monitoring alarm, and of course we have here the specs. So standby time 4 to 5 days, 180 mAh, charging clip, and compatible with Android and iOS. So let's see. Hopefully we have a battery left. If not, we'll charge it and we'll see next time on our second video review. Okay, so seems like okay, so we still have a battery left. Okay, so let's have a closer look. So this is your smartwatch. Okay, display, watch faces here. Let's pick this one. Okay, so how do we access? Okay, so from bottom to top we have the menu here. Okay, okay, that's how you change the watch face. Very simple menu. Okay, let's check. We have here the dialer, I think, and let's go to the sports mode. Let's see, where's the sports mode here? Oh, here we have here. Okay, again, let's check again. Okay, we have the weather, the music control. So connect it to your smartwatch and you can control the music on your smartphone. We have the heart rate monitoring. Let's see. So it is monitoring. Okay, let's see if it can provide the result. Oh, that was fast. Okay, and what else? Twitter, the message function. You can read the message directly from your smartwatch when it's connected to your smartphone. We have the phone book, anti-loss, and the step tracking. So on the step tracking we have the distance and the calorie here. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, so the display is decent, very bright, and it supports full touch screen operation. Okay, very affordable smartwatch, simple design. It looks like the Apple Watch. I think it is the Apple Watch 4 if you compare it. Okay, although it states here it is Series 6. Okay, but looks more like the previous version of the smartwatch from the popular company. Okay, so this is your X8 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Next time, we're going to check more on its menus and functions. Okay, so we have here the animated watch face, and it's easy to replace the watch face right away to change. Okay, this is the popular watch face, this type of smartwatches. Okay, so far bright screen display. Okay, simple menu, easy to access, very responsive touchscreen. There's a little bit of weight to it, much thicker than the DT100, but so far it looks okay, it looks good. And of course, regarding the price, it's very affordable. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.